What's up, go-getters? It's your boy, Coach to Win, and I'm back with another video. And this is where I teach you how to learn to earn. All right. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to calculate your earnings for the day using a template for an Excel. Well, it's not an Excel spreadsheet, it's Google Sheets. But anyways, it's just a spreadsheet. All right. And I'm going to teach you how to use it today. Okay, so this is what I do when I calculate my spreadsheets. I do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I log it in my PL, meaning profit loss. Okay, that's what PL stand for in the trading world. And then I just log every day thus far. When I started this, I started on Veterans Day 2020. This is what I normally make when I trade with my Sirius account, and I also lose big on my Sirius account, and that's okay. And then I also, I gain again. But now that I've started promoting my class to teach people, I'm trading with my small account. And so I'm not going to see as big of gains because, again, I'm only trading with like around $250. Whereas here, I'm trading with like $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 at a time. Okay, so the more money you use, the more money you can make. Anyways, this is not about how to make money. This is how to calculate your money. So what you can do here is you can go to WeBull, and when you have WeBull, you can go to your field. Okay, there's these are the stocks that I traded today. Well, it's just really one, Lizzie. All right, and you just basically type in your numbers for your quantity and what price you bought it at and what price it was filled, right? So this is where I sold it. So I just go to my Friday, let's say Thursday, okay? This is what I traded today. So I type in what I bought in, how many shares I bought, and then when did I sell the position. And it calculates the percent loss gain and the total loss gain here. So for example, let's say I bought Apple. All right, I'll just type in Apple if I don't want to do the ticker name. And then let's say I bought it at 120, okay? And I bought 10 shares and I sold it at 125 because that's kind of realistic, okay? So you make $5 per share, which should make you $50 total. Pretty straightforward. Just type in the numbers, type in the name, all the calculations done for you. Take it to the PL loss ratio, take it to the PL, 2020 PL, and then just type in the number 50, and then type in your reflections right here, like what happened that day. All right, so it's really basic. All right, and I'm gonna leave the link to this down in the descriptions below, so you can just go to File and then Make Copy and save it wherever you save it in your Google Drive. Okay? All right, guys, so I hope I taught you something new, and I hope that you do this because when you reflect, you are able to go back and remember the mistakes you make, all right? Like, oh my goodness, losing that $1,400, that's huge. But I wasn't sad, I wasn't mad. I was kind of just like, when you detach your emotions from your money, it just becomes like, all right, now I just got to make it back. And I'm slowly making it back, So, and I'm not trading with my large account yet. So when I do start trading with my large account again and I'm done training my people, it's on, son. Anyways, don't forget to like, share, and do what that guy is telling you to do right there. Yeah, that guy, he looks a little like me, but it's not me. It's not me. Okay, we're going to say goodbye now and get your hands ready. Rock, paper, peace.